Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Juliet Onoja, and on this channel I post content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If any of this sounds interesting to you, you might want to hit that subscribe button so you will get notified each time I upload a new video. Before I start today's video, I'd like to say a very big thank you to every one of you for your love and support so far. I am really grateful. In today's video, I'll be showing you or teaching you how to build your first makeup kit as a beginner. Without wasting so much time, let's jump right into this video. The first product you need is a cleansing product. Before you start any makeup application, you need a cleansing product like micellar water or facial cleansing wipes to remove dirt and excess oils and other pollutants from your skin. It's best to apply makeup on a clean and fresh skin because it prolongs the wear of your makeup. So the first makeup product you need in your kit is a makeup wipe or a micellar water. A makeup wipe is a good option, but a micellar water is the best option because it works better. Just get a product within your budget. The next products you need are your skin prep products. For your makeup to sit properly on your skin, you need a well prepped and well hydrated skin. You need a good hydrating moisturizer or serums to add moisture to your skin just to make your makeup application easy. I currently use the simple hydrating light moisturizer. I think that's what it's called. I am not so sure, but I'll insert a picture. Just get a good hydrating moisturizer for a start. There are lots of good hydrating moisturizers in the market. Just find a good one within your budget. The next product you need in your kit is a primer. As we already know, primers are very important in makeup application. They help improve the appearance of makeup and they help with longevity of the makeup. When choosing a primer, make sure to choose one that works well with your skin. If you have oily skin, go for a mattifying primer, and if you have dry skin, go for a hydrating primer. Because if you have dry skin, a mattifying primer will dry out your skin more and your makeup application will be difficult. The next and one of the most important products you need is a foundation. Foundations are very important because they even out our skin and make our skin look flawless. And just like primers, you want to choose a foundation that works well with your skin type. If you have dry skin, go for a hydrating foundation, and if you have oily skin, go for a mattifying foundation. There are so many good foundations you can choose from. There are high-end ones, there are drugstore ones. Just buy a good one that works well with your skin type and get something within your budget. The next important product you need to add to your kit is a concealer. Concealers are very important in makeup application because they are used to hide dark circles, age spots, blemishes, and they make your skin look flawless as well. When building your first makeup kit, you want to buy a concealer that is one shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone. The next product you need when building your first makeup kit is powder. There are different types of powder in makeup. We have the setting powder, we have the mineral powder, we have the finishing powder, and so many other powders. If you're just starting out, you want to buy a setting powder because it helps to set your makeup and it prolongs wear of makeup. It also helps to absorb excess oil in your skin. You also want to get a finishing powder in the same shade as your skin tone. These finishing powders help to blur out your makeup and it gives a natural finish to your makeup look. The next product you want to add to your kit is a contour product. You need a contour product that is at least two shades darker than your skin tone or your foundation shade. Contour products are very important because they sculpt our face and add dimension to our face. The next product you want to add to your makeup kit is blush. Blushes illuminate the face and makes the makeup look natural. You want to get at least 3 or 4 shades of blush for a start. You can start with a blush palette because this is cost effective. The next products you need are your eye makeup products. You need an eyeshadow palette with both neutral shades and pop of colors so you can create different eye makeup looks. You need a cream eyeliner for your waterline, or you can get a pencil eyeliner. You need a waterproof mascara for your eyelashes, and you need your false lashes and your lash glue. The next product you need is your eyebrow products. You need either a brow gel, a brow powder, or a brow pencil. I personally prefer to use a brow gel because I find it easier to use compared to brow pencils. I still use brow pencils, but I prefer to use a brow gel, and I would pick a brow gel over a brow pencil any day. If you use a brow pencil, the easiest way to draw brows with pencil is for you to make sure your pencils are always sharp. Make sure they are always sharp whenever you are drawing your brows so they can give you those straight lines. The next product you need in your kit are lipsticks. There are so many lipsticks to choose from. There are matte lipsticks, there are cream lipsticks, there are lip stains, gloss, and so many others. You need a few shades of matte lipsticks and a lip palette for a start, and you should be fine. The next important product you need in your makeup kit is setting sprays. There are two types of setting sprays. We have the hydrating setting sprays and we have the finishing setting sprays. The hydrating setting sprays help to reduce cakiness and they melt your makeup together to get rid of that powdery residue. While the finishing spray locks in the makeup to make it last all day. The next and final products you need in your kit are your tools. Since you can apply your makeup without your makeup tools, you need to pick up a few makeup tools to make your makeup application easy and seamless. And here is a list of some of the makeup tools that you need for your makeup application. As a beginner, you need a beauty blender, a powder puff, a flat brush for applying your cream products before blending out. You need an eyebrow brush for concealing and cleaning up your brows. You need a small blending brush. You need a contour brush and some eye makeup brushes. Alternatively, you can buy a brush set with all the brushes you need for your makeup application. That is a brush set that's got a powder brush, a foundation brush, a concealer brush, a small blending brush, a mascara wand, a liner brush, a lip brush, and eyeshadow brushes. I recommend buying drugstore products as a beginner to avoid wasting your high-end products when you practice. Also, if you need a guide with your step-by-step makeup application, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do your own makeup on my channel. I'll have it linked in this video and I will add the link to my description box if you want to go and check it out. I also want to add that if you're starting makeup as a business, you want to get 5 different shades of foundation for a start if you can't afford more shades, and get 3 different shades of concealer for a start, a bright shade, a medium shade, and a dark shade. So you can mix these products to get your client's shade. Also, it will really help if you buy a powder palette instead of buying single powders. I also have a very detailed step-by-step makeup tutorial on my TikTok. I will add the link to my TikTok account in the description so you can go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.